It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another video. So if you want to see what I'm going to be doing today, make sure you stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Welcome back, big timers, old timers, t-shirtpreneurs, and if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome, first timer. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a company by the name of HTV Ront, and this unboxing is a product that can be very helpful if you're getting started in the t-shirt business. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do the unboxing, and then I'm gonna kind of talk a little bit about it and give y'all my thoughts on it. And I'll probably go ahead and press a t-shirt just to test it out and let you guys know what I think. All right, so right here we have the product right here in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it down and grab my cutter so that I can get this thing unboxed. All right, we opened that box up, and we got another box inside that. And let me see what else we have. We have some other little, I guess, accessories to go with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up one of these, and we're gonna see what's inside of here. All right, so right here we have some HTV or heat transfer vinyl right here, as you see. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open each one of them up. And all of these products, this vinyl is also the HTV Ront HTV vinyl. So right here we got the sublimation HTV vinyl, which I have never used yet. And then I don't know what's inside here. Let's see. Let's try not to damage it. All right, so right here this says cold sensitive color changing vinyl. So some of these items we're gonna use in this video. Some of them we'll probably continue and do more than just this one video. That way I can kind of give you guys an extended usage thoughts video of this product also. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. All right. All right, so as you guys see, we have the HTV Ront, the Easy Press right here. And this is a 10 by 10 Easy Press right here. So we're gonna go ahead, before I unbox that all the way, I'm just gonna check out this vinyl and see what we got right here. So this is just some color changing vinyl right here, like some chameleon vinyl, HTV. This right here, the cold sensitive color changing vinyl, is what you would use for like a tumbler or a mug or something like that. And right here, this is the, you can actually sublimate right onto this. So we're actually gonna use this one in another video. We're gonna use this one right here, the color changing one, to make this video today. So y'all stay tuned for these other videos if y'all interested in that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this unboxing. All right, so right here we got the little tab. Let me get my little blade. We're gonna cut that little tab off of there. I always like to open stuff gently. So right here you see the branding, really outstanding, never temporary. All right. And right here you can see on the instruction manual, you can actually look like they offer it in at least two colors, the red and the green. And that's just the instruction booklet that kind of tells you how, how everything works. All right, so we have a little bag right here. This looks like it's gonna be like the travel storage bag, so that if you are on the road with it, because of the small size, you can kind of carry it with you and it's not gonna take up a bunch of space. So right here, this is the carrying sack that you could actually decorate this. I might do that. I might decorate this in another video. All right, so we are going to go ahead and slide this thing out. All right. So right here we got the red one. Y'all know your girl favorite color is green. So it would have been nice to get that green one right there, but hey, we gonna go with what they sent us. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and slide this thing out, and I'm gonna give y'all my first impressions just as far as looking at it and taking it out. I think it looks really nice. I'm gonna kind of, it's got the handle on here, and it's not very heavy. I mean, it does have a little weight to it, but it's not super heavy. It looks like it is a Teflon covered heating element right here. And then you have like these little indentions on the side, I guess, if you need to, you know, put it here. But I don't know. We'll see once we heat it up if this part is going to get hot. We're going to go ahead and plug this thing up right here. And as you see, it's got the regular 2-prong plug. So you don't have to worry about having that third outlet. And actually, something that just came to me, this probably could be used, like I have a little plug in my car, outlet in my car. You could probably plug this thing up and even heat press shirts on your way to an event or something. So I'm going to go ahead, take this apart. And I have a plug down on that side. I'm going to go ahead, plug it up. I'm going to go ahead and get a design ready. All right. The power light is flashing like it's requesting for me to turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead, turn it on. And let me see. Okay, so the time is set for 20 seconds. I might have to read the directions on this thing. 210 degrees, which I'm thinking that 210 degrees, that's Celsius. You have to press that for the timer to count down. It is actually heating up. So I'm going to go ahead and let this thing heat up, and I'm going to go ahead and get a design cut out so that I can press something for y'all and let y'all check this thing out and give y'all my thoughts on it. So now that I have my design all weeded out, I went ahead and grabbed a Teflon pillow right here that I'm going to be using to press this design onto my shirt, because the heat press will get hot, and if it's on something that's not heat resistant, it could melt or burn or whatever. So you will need something that is, you know, heat resistant, like this Teflon pillow. So I just grabbed the old shirt just for an example, because I didn't really have anything that I needed to print right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. What we're gonna do now is take the heat press right here, and we're going to press it down, and we're gonna press the seconds so that it can count down the seconds. All right, I think I'm gonna slide it over and get this side. About 10 more seconds on this side. And I know the temp may not be correct for the HTV, but that's what we went with. So we just gonna let it cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna jump back on and peel it. Okay, I think it's cooled off a little bit. It's still slightly warm. We're gonna go ahead and peel it. Let me see, I'm gonna peel it from this way. All right, we got that thing peeled, and I think that that looks nice on there right here. Green chameleon, and I think it looked nice on this green shirt. So I'm gonna let y'all check that out and let me know what y'all think right here about that. I think that I picked a good color to print it on. Think that, I think it looks pretty good on there. So, but I just did it for a sample just to kind of let y'all see. But it is in there. It's in there pretty good. You wouldn't be able to tell. To me, I don't think you could tell if it was printed with a professional heat press or with that craft press right there. I can see uses for that. I actually do embroidery, and I probably could use that like when I'm doing appliques and different things like that, so that I don't have to pull out the big heat press. If you just want to do a few shirts or you want to see what it's like to start a t-shirt business, I feel like this heat press would be a good product to start out with. So my thoughts is I can see myself using it for doing stuff like applique, for like if I'm doing a couple of heat presses, like if I'm going out of town and I'm just taking a small cutter with me, just doing stuff on the go. But the only reason I say that is because I have multiple heat presses here, and I've been in the business for a while. When I first started, they did not have things like this. If they did, I probably would have purchased something like this starting out. Overall, I feel like it's a good product so far. I will continue to use it in a few more videos just so I can, give y'all better information on it. It's very simple to work. A kid, I feel like, could easily use that heat press. So if you got a kid that's interested in starting a business, that would be the way to go. And if you're looking to get started, that could be the way to go. Or if you want to print while you're on the road, that's a good thing to have with you. That way you don't have to worry about lugging around a big heavy heat press. But hopefully this was a helpful video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Links will be down below the video for all the products used in this video, and I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in another episode. But until then, be blessed.